Okay, so we've got a veterinarian looking at weights of puppies. It doesn't say they're all the same breed or anything like that. So, you know, may or may not be a real good setup, and they're random numbers that I made up, but still shows you how to do it. So it says find the correlation coefficient and tell what it says, and then find the regression, and then use the regression. So we're going to do all these at once. So stat, edit, clear that list, make this smaller so I can see it. Hide that thing. All right, so 5, that is not a 5. 5, 8, 10, 7, 4, 12, 14, 9, 10. And these weights are in kilograms. I'm sure they're probably all way too heavy, but we're just trying to make up a powder to show you how to do this. So. And again, I showed you guys this before the test, but I'm going to drop this over here. Yes. Because now I can look at it and I can see if I have any errors. 5, 8, 10, 7, 4, that worked. Okay, so I didn't make any errors there. So it says find the correlation coefficient. So I'm going to go back to the calculator. I'm going to hit stat. I'm going to go over to calculate. And I want linear regression, so I want that. And again, I'm going to drag this over and drop it too. All right. So there's that. So now I can get the answers to the stuff I want. So it wants the correlation coefficient, which is 0.725. So 0.725. All right. That is a pretty strong positive. It says to state what it tells. Strong positive. All right. Using the data, what's the regression equation? So it's y equals 1.55x minus 1.37. Okay, state what the gradient means. It means for each week older, the puppy gains 1.55 kilograms, which again I think is way too much, but I'm not great with kilograms and random numbers. So it says use the regression equation to estimate the puppy that's 20 weeks old. So pay attention to this. So it says 20 weeks. Weeks was the X, age was the X, so it goes in for the X. There's going to be questions that ask you to, put it in for the Y value. 7. So 1.55 times 20 minus 1.57. So 29.63 kilograms, which I really should round it. Well, that's okay because it's the whole number. But if I'm doing 2 significant figures, it's that. Okay, would this be valid? All right, well, 20 weeks is not inside of the range that I have, or the domain I have up there, which is from 4 to 14. So this is not valid because of extrapolation. Okay, it doesn't fit in the domain of the X value. 20 is too big. All right, this data is only from 4 to 14, so I can't use that. And that's, what extrapolation is trying to show you when you're talking about it in these problems.